Okay, so I just wanted to let my subscribers know about this. So you probably already heard about this, like from YouTube or other social media platforms. But if you haven't heard already, as it says on AFTV News, and this is just one of many articles, Google will start knocking on verified side-loaded apps on Android devices. In what may be the most significant threat yet to Android's openness, Google has announced its plans to require all apps to be registered by verified developers in order to be installed by users on certified Android devices. So what does that exactly mean, folks? Well, it means that the developer of the Android application, if they want to sell it, they've got to give details or some form of ID to Google. I know it sounds bizarre, but it looks like this is gonna happen. This policy applies even to side-loaded apps that aren't distributed through the Play Store. For an app to be installed by any means on the certified devices, developers will require to verify the legal name, phone number, and address, and register their app's package name and sign-in keys, among other steps. The move effectively removes anonymity for developers, a core aspect of the modern and tinkering community that has long been part of Android's appeal. So, just reading from that, Google clearly wants to know a bit about the developer. Now, just ask yourself, if you use like a third-party application, say you're using Cinema or BTV for example, do you really think they want to share their details with Google? Of course they aren't, folks. I mean, this is all speculation and a minute. Well, I say speculation. It's actually been announced on the Google TV website that it's gonna do this. I covered it on a live stream that I did on Ken Mullen's YouTube channel, and we were all talking about it and speculating on what will happen. This doesn't mean side-loading is gone. Right, you're still gonna be able to side-load apps on these devices, but verified ones, folks. This does actually make me wonder, is this the start of the end of side-loading on Google TV? I mean, it probably isn't, folks, but hear me out. Why would you verify an app and not put it within the Google Play Store, folks? Think about it. Why would Google, right, verify an app and not put it in the Play Store?
That don't make no sense!
It's got me thinking, folks. You see what I'm getting at? Can this be the start of the end of sideloading? Now, I don't think it is the start of the end of sideloading. Now, always be aware on these devices, as well as on the new Vega TV Amazon devices. Now, be aware to install piracy apps, I guess you could say, or streaming apps on them. But yeah, and this impacts sideloading quite a bit, folks, because on one area Google is trying to keep you safe, folks, and that's good. I mean, that is good. Whether you like this or not, Google is trying to keep you safe. But the problem is people are gonna worry about, oh, will my favorite app still work? Will my favorite movie app still work? Probably, folks. It'll probably still work. No, just have to verify the side-loaded apps. And who knows, there might be a setting in the developer options on the Google TV so that you can turn this off, and hopefully you can install whatever app you want, because as you know, Android is supposed to be open source, folks. But Google asking for verification for side-loaded apps kinda debunks that, doesn't it, folks? So now we have it. That is my view on Google knocking third-party apps. Personally, it's not a big worry, I don't think. This is similar to what Amazon have been doing. They've been knocking a handful of apps on their device. Apps that claim to have malware. And within a few days, the developer releases an update from the application anyway. And when you install it on your Fire Sticks again, it works. And the same thing might be the case for Google TV as well, folks. But we'll have to wait and see. So that is my views on the news that's been going about on Google TV blocking your side-loaded apps. Again, I don't think it's as bad as what some people are saying, but only time will tell, folks. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more of these videos, send the video if you can, guys. That'll really help me out in the YouTube algorithm. And with that all being said, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.